Hello viewer, here is a shape. We are going to take the designs. Let's take a new structure. Keep on making that design. So let's take it. We have used it a structure there. There is a design to make more options. So let's use a shape. I will take another one. So here it is. We are going to make that structure. Thank you for watching my video.